Today is June 9th. I will take 1 to 2 trades per day. If I win, I get off. If I lose, I get off. I will stick to my risk management, which is $300. I do not over risk. When I stick to my rules, I am closer to success. I'm a profitable trader. I trade with 5-minute order flow. When I break my rules, that's when I fail on the day, even if I make money. When the market is talking clearly to me, that's when I can fully risk. When the market doesn't, when I don't really know what the market is trying to tell me, that's when I can de-risk. Only because I got stopped out doesn't mean price is going in the opposite direction. God wants me to slow down. Okay, so right now, just by looking at this, I'm pretty bullish just because we have relative equal highs up here. Price likes to draw towards equal and relative highs. I'm probably going, we've already taken out liquidity. Okay, let me see. Price might want to come out, take out this liquidity, fill a little bit of this fair value gap on the 4-hour. It might fill, come down and sweep this liquidity to go take out these highs. But honestly, I could see that coming down to take out this liquidity. Should be great. I don't think we're gonna come take these lows out today. We are this bullish order flow right here, but right now we're in bearish 4-hour order flow. High, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high. We also have, wait, what? No, that already got taken out. Yeah. We've already taken this liquidity right here too, so we just gotta see what price wants to do. This looks like some news at 7. It's 6:05. I don't know. Weird candle. But on the 1-hour, we've already I think we might want to hit a retrace, I'm not gonna lie. Also, what is this? This is Monday, June 28th. Look, we already took these highs out. And get a fucking SMT. Take out these lows. Could we come out take out these lows? Yeah, we could easily come take these lows. Actually, no. Yeah, I want some internal first taken. So what price wants to do right now, we are about to open. Let's see what price wants to do. Let's keep that SMT in mind. Well, technically already made 5-minute SMT, but so we're going to open. Okay. Made a SMT here so far. We're about to make this SMT, which is exactly what I wanted. We took out 1 hour draw on liquidity here, while the S&P hasn't. I really want to take out these highs, but I really want to get in this before these highs get taken out, man. Need to retrace, man. We got an S&P from these lows to these lows. We're waiting for it to confirm. Come on, do not take out those highs. Damn, bro, what's really gonna take them out? I'm not gonna lie. No, we'll probably have to fucking sell shorts. Yeah, I could easily see here. Come on, baby, let's get a retrace. Come on. Be nice. Don't worry. Be happy. Nasdaq is obviously the more bearish one. I would be looking to take it on Nas ES. Don't worry. And the thing right now is we're bearish on Nasdaq and bullish on the S&P, which is what I don't really like. Cool. Come on, just hit equilibrium, bro. Hit equilibrium. I just wouldn't be happy targeting up here. I wouldn't be happy. I just wouldn't be happy. I want these highs. I want these highs. Yes. Come on, come on. Okay. That makes sense. We confirmed this SMT, 1 hour SMT, bang, bang, to take out these 1 hour SMT highs. Bro, if we take out these 5-minute highs and then make another SMT, raps. Absolutely raps, mate. Oh my gosh. So good. Really. Facts. Damn, bro. Come on. And that Loki sucks. That actually sucks, bro. Can we break structure on this game? No, but I really wanted those to go high. This is still pretty good. We're looking really bullish on NASDAQ now. Obviously, this S&T did not play out. Nice, bro. Nice. Good stuff. Okay, cool. We work structure here on the 5-minute. Cool. We took those highs out already. Are we just gonna rally all day, bro? Honestly, I don't know how I feel about this. I really don't. And now, like the bad part about this, if we get a retrace on the on Nasdaq here, but yes, it's so bullish that it's not going to give us like a proper retrace. Once ES wants a proper retrace, this is just going to shit the bed. God, that's so beautiful. Not even a retrace, bro. Obviously, we got this inverse gap. Now we can just wait for 1 minute retrace. That's not my strat though. My strat is this gap right here. Bro, come on, give us some liquidity. Don't take it out. Bro, don't take it out, bro. Bro, don't take it out, bro. Dude. There's no liquidity there, but it's just a value you have that price is coming into. It could easily reverse off of. But right now we're on bullish order flow. And I could see price coming down, coming into internal liquidity on the 4 hour. Bro, even better here, bro. That would have been my other target. Dang. If we hit up here today, bro, crazy. Look. We got Friday 5th. Cool. Honestly, I don't know if I would like to short here. Coming into this gap. I'd rather take shorts right now because we're super overextended. And we just took out liquidity here. But I feel like the NASDAQ wouldn't mind coming up, sweeping off these highs and then coming back now. We could be making an S&P from here to here, here to here. But this one 13 and this one is 11. I don't know about that. I like a version of this fucking Fair Valley Gap low key. But let's see what we get. Where's my phone, bro? Okay, cool. This is looking actually really good. Okay. We hit Fair Valley Gap on NASDAQ. Bro, could we, if we inverse this right now, oh my gosh, that would be lit. That would be so lit. Yes. Okay, we haven't inversed it. We didn't inverse that shit. Okay, we hit equilibrium. Okay, we hit equilibrium. Hit this Fair Valley Gap. Which one am I willing to trade on? The more bullish one. We're gonna do this. And then we're gonna do this. Dude, look at that. It's just, there's no way we gotta go short, bro. Yes. It's looking really good. It's looking really good for shorts. We're technically still in bullish order flow. Give me my money. We're in a discounted price range right here. Discounted price range. Honestly, it looks like it's gonna inverse it, bro. Easily reverse off of this gap low too. But honestly, at this point, I would like these lows to get hit. These lows. That'd be so lit. That would be so lit. Once this candle closes, we'll see if we get a retrace into that or if we get equilibrium. Or if we break structure to the upside. We have to break structure on this for me to go long over here. This is the more bearish index. Oh, let's go, come on. If they could respect it, that would be lit, but shit. It ain't looking too good right now. Okay. No way. We got almost a minute till this candle closes. Okay, we got 20, 40 seconds till this candle closes. We are still in bullish order flow. We're still, but this right here is telling me that we want to go down. We need to see some sort of retrace, some sort of 5-minute retrace. And if we don't get that, well, we can't take shorts. Honestly, I would like to short right here, but it's just risky. It is risky. Okay. Got this gap. We have equilibrium. We could look at these lows from these highs and these lows. But if we can make equal lows, bro. Okay. We gotta keep this in mind. We just took 5-minute liquidity at 8:30, 9:30. Right here. We just took out this liquidity right here. Gotta see if we want to form an SMT off of that. Because we are still in a discounted price range. Come on, man. Give us a retrace, bro. And I would like this trade more because we could come in and hit internal liquidity and then bounce off of that. Nice. This is exactly what I wanted. The only thing that sucks now is if we make this fucking bullish SMT, it's going to suck. Damn, bro, don't tell me. Like, my biases are so mixed up right now. We could easily break structure here. Just looks like it's going to. I just don't. I mean, this is liquidity up here, but NASDAQ has all this thing up here. I would like to see the inverse of that fair value gap, bro. We're making an SMT right here too. Oh my goodness, dude. This is terrible. Bullish confluences. Let's see how this. I want to see how this reacts off of this Equilibrium and a fair rally gap getting hit. I want to see how this reacts off of this equilibrium and fair rally gap. I mean, just equilibrium on ES. This is all low resistance liquidity too right here for NASDAQ. And for ES, which would just be perfect to take shorts. Yeah, it's gonna go shorter. This is just gonna go lower, bro. Yeah, it's not gonna make that SMT anymore. Should I want to interrupt this inverse fair value gap? Or I think I might just sell. I'm gonna do very low risk. Okay, come on. If he gets stopped out, I will not be mad about it. If he gets stopped out, it's even better, bro. Honestly, it's even better if he gets stopped out. Because we got this gap right here too. Yeah. Very low risk on this trade. No SMT made. Hello?
Hey, good morning, sir. How are you?
You're good. How are you?
Good.
Yes,
There's one thing.
Yeah.
One thing I need your help with to close payroll.
Okay.
For your vacation time that you submitted that I approved.
Yeah.
There is a max of 40 hours that Emily can submit for 1 week, and I had approved 48 hours.
Okay.
So if you're able to do it, or if not, if you give her permission to it, this has to be canceling 1 8-hour day.
Okay.
So like within 1 work week, within seven days, you can get 40 hours. But I think what I probably had approved was like 6 days in 1 week.
Yeah.
Which is showing 48, and she can't process more than 40 hours in 1 week.
Gotcha. Okay.
Are you able to I don't know if I know you might be busy at your other job, or are you
Right.
able to log in and just cancel one 8 hour shift, or do you give her
Just,
permission to go and cancel one?
yeah, she can cancel if she can.
I think
If you want, do you want me to do it?
would
Because
that
I
be
could.
easier? Can you do it? Do you have a minute?
Yeah, I can do it right now. I'm not too busy.
If you do it and you just pick whatever day, so that there's 40 hours instead of 48, and then you have those 8 hours for another time.
Okay. Am I able to request a since I'm missing out on that day, can I request it for yesterday, the day that didn't work?
Um, Talk to me about yesterday was Monday, so payroll closed on Sunday.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Okay.
So it was for you know what I mean? It was for that week that we just
Yeah.
finished out with the buyout, and I forget where you ended up. I think you did pretty well. Like you ended up near 40,
Yes.
near 40 hours. That was a busy one.
Yes.
But
I'm trying to
was
find.
there a day that was if there's a day that you didn't work last week?
Okay.
Um, maybe we could get the maybe you could request the 8
Right.
because I think it comes from a different bank versus your hours. But I'm just trying to think what day you didn't work because it was a busy one.
I didn't work on. I'm pretty sure it was either Wednesday or Tuesday. I'm trying to find the where I need to go to declare one of these days.
Um,
Give me 1 second. Balance. Pending, denied. All approved. Passed. Okay, vacation. Yeah, last vacation it says here I requested 56 hours requested.
oh my gosh. Okay, so it would be in
It's just show.
not last week, though, the week before. I would think we can look at the week like that, whatever week that was.
It says vacation Tuesday, May 26th through June 1st. Those are like the vacation days. But
Okay.
I don't see where I can um okay, I see. End.
I think if you click on one, let me try to see on my phone when that week started. Or are you able to see when that week started?
Yes. Give me 1 second.
June 26th through May 1st. May 26th. Oh, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got it. See, so what it is that May 26th through May 31st,
Mm-hmm.
that's six days.
Yes.
So only 5 days. So if you just cancel one of those days from between 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and you make it 5 days,
Okay.
that gives you the 40. But right now I approved all 6 days, which is showing the 48.
Oh man,
I'm trying to remember how I did it before when you cancel. I think if you go to like one, however you sent them to me, which I think you did in like a day at a time.
no, I did them at like the whole week at a time.
Okay, then somewhere it would be on your original request, if you went in and there should be an option for you to say like cancel it.
Yes. So I cancel.
Right corner. I would just say then if it's the whole chunk of it,
Yeah.
then we're just gonna have to cancel the whole thing, and then you send the cancel through.
Okay.
And then you can you know how to submit, so then
Right.
we'll just do a new one, and then you can do 26 through 30, right? Instead of through 31.
Okay.
And that'll give you the 5 days, and then I'll get that approved so that you get the 5 days. And I'll go over there and tell her in a minute too. I was just on the phone with her, but I can explain.
8/26 through
26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yeah. May 26th through May 30.
yeah, it says requested 40 hours.
Here you go.
Okay.
That's the exact amount we needed. And the other one's canceled. That one went through. And then do you want to take a look at
It
the
says
next
these.
week? Which
It says I can't submit it. It says this request overlaps with another. I think it might has to like you might
I
have
have
to.
to cancel first.
Yeah, I already canceled
Okay.
the.
I have to approve it though.
Yeah, that maybe that's what it is.
Yeah. So let me. I didn't want to take up so much of your time.
Oh, no
Let
worries.
me let me run over here because that's probably waiting. I'm doing it on my laptop faster for me to log in and accept your first change so that you can
Yes.
submit the second. And then another day, that following week, you said if there's one that you didn't work, you can go ahead and pick that day and submit.
Okay.
8. There would be no overlap.
Okay.
Because you hadn't submitted any time at all for that week, right?
Right. Which was last week.
Yes, sir.
Let me double check. Yeah, I was off Wednesday
See, if you're
and
a popular
Sunday.
guy, you could do Wednesday, then you're a popular guy right now.
Yes.
And you don't have to answer right now, but as we're doing this,
Yeah.
there's still a conversation.
What's going on?
Cancellation. Perfect. Let me log in.
Okay.
We'll get this. So you're all set. Dayforce.com login. Let's do this. You're all set for when we talked. Last week I submitted the form for you that you have a Ludy's code.
Right.
So that you can work and you can get scheduled and you have their pay rate.
Yep.
And you have their code. And then Emily signed it and I got Jordy to sign it.
Okay.
And I got the other individual that is supposed to and George in finance, right? It's like this 3-step approval process.
Okay.
So everybody sign it and you're good to go.
Okay, perfect.
And then I was trying to give you the time to get going over there, so you communicated with me yesterday, and
Yes.
then I didn't schedule you. You double check. Thank you. It's like a slow week.
Yes.
And then I let the guys know you're good to go.
Okay.
I gave them your phone number.
Nice.
To work with you, and then Jeff sent an email to everyone saying that he wanted or something. It's about the full transfer.
Right.
And then Emily's saying, well, right now you already are able to work there.
Yeah.
Because you can work the shifts. So she's asking to confirm, are you asking for him to transfer part-time into a part-time role there?
Right.
Or is this for the summer? And then Aiden's chiming in and saying, I thought that the impression was that we were starting for the summer.
Right.
The code is already ready to go.
Right. We did say that we were gonna do just for like this first week just to try it out.
Yeah.
But I would just be fine with the full transfer over to Ludy's.
And then just so that do you want to do that like now before you even start with them for a little bit, since you have that? Oh gosh, he's calling me. Aiden's calling me.
Okay.
Since you already have that code, I mean, do you want to?
If it's less of a headache to do it now, I would rather do it now then.
Let me communicate with them on that as well, and then you would want everybody. Then we'll resubmit again. You want a full transfer, so then that's your primary.
Correct.
Department.
Correct.
And you want to do that in that server assistant room.
Right.
Okay. I will also follow up with.
You press cancel, right? Cancel.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's see. Log in. Were you able to do the one for the other week
Let me see.
for the day?
Here, I'll actually do that one first because it's still not letting me. Which was June Wednesday 3rd.
Oh, perfect. Where's hold on then? Let's do this. Or is it letting me do that one, Z?
Let me see.
Let me check out
Okay,
that.
yeah, it let me do the 3rd on Wednesday. And then
Okay.
I'm about to do the.
You're still waiting to see. Let me see if this went through on the other thing. Hold on a second.
Okay.
Okay, notes. Nicholas. Let's see, 19. Two 5002. I think we did 2026. All right, let me do the new one.
Okay.
But it didn't let me do the other one just yet.
Yeah, it let me do the new one, but not the. Let me see the June 26th through the 30th.
Okay, hold on 1 second. Let's verify. March. 25002. Continue. All right, I'm gonna run over and ask Emily on that one, and then as soon as we get that one solved, I'll either call you or text you to resubmit that the 26 through 30. Okay.
Okay, sounds good.
I don't want to take too much of your time. Okay, bye.
No worries. Bye bye. Damn, bro, what the fuck? Yo. This is crazy. Yo. We banked on this one right here, though. Banked. We're up $52, man. Honestly, couldn't be more proud. Couldn't be more proud, bro. Should I have targeted all the way down here? I did not think this was. I don't think ES is gonna reach him. I think we're gonna. But who knows? This is just beautiful. What sessions were these, bro? Two. The thing that's yeah. Got London's Asia session too. I thought we were only gonna take out London session. Dude, this is a fucking banger trade, bro. I'm happy with what I got. I took a trade and won. Honestly, it didn't match my, like, it didn't hit any of my 5-minute fucking confluences. but when I entered, it didn't hit me by any of my 5-minute confluences, but when I entered the trade, that's why I de-risked, and the risk to reward was so good that it would have been a little silly to not take it. And silly to not take it. See what he says. That's an interesting one. What I'm hearing is the trade didn't have all of your 5 normal minute confluences. You recognize that before entering. Because of that, you reduced your risk. The risk to reward still looked attractive. The trade ended up winning. That's not automatically a bad trade. The key question here is whether reduced size trades with fewer confluences are a part of the playbook. No. Reduced. The key here, question. Reduced. The reason I point this out is that traders often remember winners and forget about the losers from the second category. Question for your journal. If this exact trade had lost, would you be happy with my decision? Yes. If the answer is yes, it's because you reduced your risk, right? And it's a legitimate part of your system, then great. Okay, cool. If the answer is no, would you be saying I shouldn't have taken that? Then the win may be disguised as a process issue. Either way, congrats on the win. Just don't let the fact come into you every trade. How much did you make on it? Okay, wait. So I want to go back up to this. Still in fine with losing that trade because I would have been fine with losing that trade because did it hit it? Oh my gosh. Look, this is exactly why I got out, bro. Just coming to seek internal liquidity at this bitch. Should I have? Maybe, but holy fucking retrace, bro. Anyways, I guess I would still be fine with losing because I de-risked. That's actually a good answer. The fact that you're saying I would have been fine with losing that trade is because I did is very different from it won, so it must have been a good trade. It sounds like you accepted the possibility that this setup was an A plus. The probability might have been lower, therefore you reduced your risk. That's a much professional way to think about. The thing I'd ask myself is, was the reduced risk decided before you entered? Yeah, for sure. If so, you made a brilliant trade off. Less confluences less size, same discipline, risk management. That's valid for line work. What I like to what I like compared to our earlier conversations is that you're not talking about reversing because the trade went red. Moving stops emotionally creating new rules after entry. Instead you're talking about confluence, position sizing, risk reward. Those are the kind of conversations traders want to be having. Just don't let today's winner convince you to start taking every almost setup you see. Keep this distinguishing between A plus, no more risk, B plus, reduce risk, no setup, no trade. That was a small win of, I don't even know, how much did I win on that? Let me see. $192. I made 192. Alright, so today's made. So nice. So if today's trade made 192 and yesterday's planned loss was 157, you're not digging a hole. You've already shown you've bounced back without forcing things. That stands out more than 192. Yes, sir.
Mr. Zeke,
Yep.
do you still have your Dayforce going
Let me
nearby?
pull it up.
We're gonna
Okay.
check it all out. So
Yep.
now you want to submit vacation for May 25th through May 29th.
8 hours each day.
8 hours each day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like the weekend out of it, it'll be a Monday through Friday, May 25 through May 29.
It says on the 25th, since it was Memorial Day, I can't request that day.
There you go. That's right. Memorial Day was May 25th. It won't let him request a vacation because it's paying him out because it's showing him he has vacation.
So then he's do the 26th through the 30th.
Okay. 26 through 30, like we talked about.
Yep.
No, he had it.
8 hours. Okay. Okay.
So I go and submit it?
Yes, submit it. We're looking at the screen.
Okay. There we go. It worked.
And then your one that we talked about on the 3rd, Wednesday the 3rd, it was submitted, but then we denied it.
Okay.
Well, I didn't deny it, but I didn't deny it. But you can go back and you can submit that one again, and then we'll approve it. And then that
Okay.
gives you the 48 hours that you originally requested.
Gotcha.
Sorry, Ziggy.
Thank
No
you,
worries.
Zeke, for your patience and lining this up the way
Yes.
that Dayforce has to read it in order for the payroll to go through.
Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday, June 3rd. Okay, it's showing that it's not canceled on my end here.
You said that one on the 3rd doesn't show that
It
it's
says
canceled
it
yet.
says approved.
It's approved. Did you approve it?
All right.
SMS? Okay, we're gonna leave it on.
Okay.
You know, we're learning as we go, and then I will also get your transfer paperwork ready as well.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Zeke. Bye bye.
Yes, sir. Bye bye. Okay. I'm done for the day. Bro, this is totally gonna fucking bang. I just want to take this trade right here. It's only a couple points, but that'd be stupid. That would be stupid. Stupid, 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 stupid. That's a solid decision. You finish the day. I'm trying to get a payout from Lucid Direct 50K account. That makes sense. And today's session is more relevant to that goal than the 192 itself. To get a payout from your 50K, you don't need to be a hero for the day. You need a string of days where you protect your capital, stay within drawdown limits, avoid revenge trading, let your edge play out. Stack small to medium ones consistently. Look at the last couple of days. Create new rules in drawdown and reversing positions. Taking planned losses, reducing risk. Yeah. Cool. Okay. I am up 52 on this bitch. What did I say? What did I say? What did I say, bro? What did I say? Such a W day, bro. Such a W day. Super proud of myself right now. I'm not gonna trade tomorrow because tomorrow's CPI, so I kind of want to, but literally rules like I can never bang on CPI news data. Like price is so weird. I'm fine with just waiting until Thursday, which I get to trade a fucking homeboy. camera. I got 1 hour to work. Thank you for today.